Understanding Feeling Drained, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, feeling drained. This is a common expression in English, often used to describe a specific state of mind and body. So, if you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and learn how to use this phrase effectively, stay tuned. Feeling drained is an idiomatic expression used to describe a state of extreme tiredness or exhaustion. It's not just about being a little sleepy. It's more about a deep level of fatigue. Imagine a battery that has used up all its energy. That's the kind of tiredness we're talking about here. The phrase, feeling drained, metaphorically links to the idea of something being emptied or depleted. Just like water drains out of a sink, leaving it empty, a person who is feeling drained is depleted of their energy or enthusiasm. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. After working for 12 hours straight, I was feeling completely drained. 2. The intense heat of the day left me feeling drained and listless. 3. He said he was feeling drained, so he couldn't join us for the evening. Notice how in each of these sentences, the phrase is used to express a significant level of tiredness. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, burned out, run down, worn out. While they are similar, each phrase can have slightly different connotations depending on the context. And that's a wrap on feeling drained. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to sound more natural in English. I hope this video has been informative and helps you feel more confident in using the phrase. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to rest if you're feeling drained.